Hello everyone, welcome to Vani Shankar's kitchen. Namaskar. Today I am going to show you how to make pizza at home. Easy way, then whatever vegetables as per our choice, and minimum I'm going to show you. Come, I'll show you. Yes, what I'm going to tell you is, today I'm not going to show you like how they do in the shop or for sale. We are doing for our house sake. As per that, I have taken all these ingredients, what is healthy for the children or of course anybody. Okay, so I have preheated the pan and I have taken all the vegetables. Okay, like peas I have taken little, and whatever quantity I need, I am going to use only that much. I am going to show you all this. I have taken peas, I have taken cheese, I have taken cauliflower, carrot, butter, paneer, and two varieties of capsicum, and of course cheese, then chili flakes, and baby corn I have cut and kept, and this is a homemade tomato chili sauce for the garnishing. Of course this is oregano, I forgot to tell you, sorry. So I preheated the pan. Now I'm going to add a little bit of butter first. We have to grease the pan now, so I'm going to add. See, this is what I'm going to tell you is, I'm not going to put so much of cheese, butter, everything. What is required, only that much I'm going to put, because from the if you buy outside, of course the pizza base is from outside. I'm not going to make the pizza base right now. I preheated the pan. It is in medium flame now. We'll just, what we'll do, we'll just make it little cook the bottom and the other side. Then we'll start putting all the vegetables. So we need not to put so much of cheese, butter, this, that and all. We'll make what we need and how much we need. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you today. Yes, I kept it in sim. I'm going to flip it. Carefully we have to flip it. Yes, see how nicely it has done. Now what we'll do, I've kept complete sim. Now we'll start putting one by one on top of this. First I'm going to put one vegetables. Of course first I'm going to put some cheese on top. Put aside nicely. Okay, what is required, only that much we are going to put today. Okay, so I'm not going to put extra. Okay, then a little bit of carrot. If whatever vegetables you want, you can add it, or whatever you want to skip, you can skip this. Now I'm going to put one or two cauliflowers. I'm going to add all healthy vegetables. Okay, then I'm going to add the babies. So you can eat this raw also, so nothing to worry. I kept the flame in sim, okay, very low. So we'll put everything. Then one or two peas for the color sake. Children will love this. See how colorful it is, isn't it? So definitely you people will love this, because homemade pizza, homemade everything is always good, because we'll wash nicely, we'll take care of the things very nicely, of course the spice, everything, right? So now I'm going to keep the capsicum. It is colorful. We'll keep one green, one yellow, again one green, one yellow. Okay, so what is necessary, only that much we'll keep. Okay, then we'll add a little bit of, I have put only one tomato and only 2 red chilies and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, if you want you can put first this as a base, that is up to your choice. See how nice colorful this is. We'll just take out this, others it will make noise. Okay, then cheese, and we'll add in the end, of course, the oregano. I have taken nearly 1.5 spoon. Then chili flakes. Of course, pizza means the chili flakes should be there. This is also option. If you want, you can add it, otherwise forget it, no problem. Then in the end, we are going to do the topping with a slice of, yes, okay, that's all. If you want, you can add some more outside pizza topping also. Shall we add little bit? Of course not necessary, because homemade is better than the outside, yet I'm going to put a little. Okay, a little only, I'm not going to put more because I want to do the homemade pizza. Okay, now it is in sim, we'll keep it for till it cook. Okay, yes, it is nicely done. I just switched off the flame. See how nicely it is done. I'll just show you. See, nicely it is also cooked. So this is very healthy and homemade pizza is ready to serve. I just put it in a plate and I display you. Yes friends, lovely homemade pizza is ready to eat. See how nicely it has come. Yummy pizza. See, excellent. It is crispy. It is tasty. This is healthy. Healthy, why I am telling is because all our favorite vegetables are there, like carrot, then what, peas, then cauliflower. So you can make at home. I can feed the children, or whenever they ask pizza, you can please do it at home and give them. So they will be happy. You are happy. You are happy because you are not getting that from outside, because you are doing it home. Very tasty, very healthy, of course very cheap also. Homemade pizza is cheaper than the outside pizza. Okay, just I'm joking. Yummy. You must try this at home. Eat and let me know the feedback. Okay. Really it is yummy, I'm telling you, believe me. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and of course thumbs up and bell icon, ting tong, and I will see you in my new recipe in my next video. Please try this and I must know the feedback. Of course, those who, if you want any new recipes, you can put in the my channel, YouTube or whatever it is, description box you can put. So I will try to do your whatever your wish. We'll make that also. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.